go through quite a bit of city traffic, but we're getting out into the open road a bit more now. It's a little better. Still got our parkers on. Beautiful cool start to the day. Cars running nice. Got Harry running behind me in the Roadrunner. Catching up with a few of the boys a little bit further up the road. Caught up with a couple of the boys. Harry leading me in the Roadrunner, Mark in the Dodge Ram. Oh, where's everyone else gone? We got Dylan coming up behind us in the Valiant Regal. And then Mick is a bit further back, had a tyre delaminate. So he's already had to change his spare already today. He's further back. Cruising down the highway. Car's running beautifully. Temperature's nice. Beautiful day for a drive. It's only about 8:30 in the morning. Let's cruise up on Harry. Check out my Roadrunner. Where do you want me?
And your gentleman, mate.
Yep.
Down
Mick?
here.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're going to slide it back that way. Okay.
Which way?
Yep. We'll go backwards.
Fairly brisky.
Dunno. Okay.
Right, I'll film you doing that.
Yep.
And I'll say when.
Yep.
Okay, Brian, we're rolling.
Hello, Mick.
What number is it? 165.
Yeah, very good.
Alright, thank you. 1970.
Oh, look at that.
What's that?
God.
We'll get on the other side here, mate.
Yep.
Alright. 1970 Fury. Ladies and gentlemen, doesn't get much better than this. Brian Dow, no stranger to the restoration scene. You've got a few cars under your belt there, Brian. What can you tell us about this one?
Sport Fury GT, particularly hard car to find. They made 666, the devil's number. I actually looked for this car for about 10 years and I found it 10 years ago. I kept it for 8 years and then I restored it about 2 years ago. So it's only been on the road for 12 months. Yeah. Hard to find and just super rare in Australia. Yeah. Came out of Wisconsin, I bought it out off eBay. Yeah. Took a bit of a punt. Yeah. It was a little bit lousy photos, something I wouldn't normally do because the car's so hard to find. Yep. I thought I'd take a bit of risk and it wasn't too bad. It was missing its motor, yeah, which gave me the option to zip the motor up a bit, which was kind of cool.
And Brian, based on the Hearst cars, the Hearst 300s as well, same wheelbase, floor-pan arrangement?
Yeah, these are slightly shorter overall. I think the wheelbase is slightly shorter as well.
Yeah, right, okay.
But basically the same platform.
Yeah,
same windscreen, same back window, same roof.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good on you there, Brian. Fury, have a go at it, folks. The interior, just as good on the inside as it is on the outside. Give him a round of applause and enjoy the rest of the weekend, here, Brian.
Thanks, mate. Good on you. Got all the boys at our swap meet site at Chryslers on the Murray. Bit slow this year. I actually think I've got the wrong swap site, but anyway, this is our setup. The Roadrunner and the Fury. Mick's bought his Monaco we drive with, and Mark's bought his Valiant, Mark and Dylan. They're having a chat. Pretty good turnout. I don't know how many cars. I think they'll be getting up nearly 1,000 cars. So a pretty good turnout. I'll go past and have a look at some of my favourites. I do like things different. I do like these AMX Javelins. Something you just don't see. Real swoopy, curvy, just unusual. Yeah, I could own one of those. I think I've said that before on my channel. I saw a really nice red one in America. This is an SST, it's not the AMX, but same shape. That's a cool looking car. That makes it an early one, a 71 maybe. Don't know a lot about these. Horseshoe shifter, houndstooth interior, and purple. Very 70s. One of my favourites on the show so far. Pretty good turnout. Harry's been looking at this Roadrunner, giving him some ideas for his GDX coming up. Nice looking car. Another beautiful green car again, a 70 GTX, lovely. Getting the dust off. It's like 444 barrel with an air grabber. It's beautiful. A nice Cuda, 70. Oh, here we go. Here's the man in question. Hello, Mark.
Hello, Brian. How are you?
Good. Pleased to have you on my channel.
I'm pleased to be on the channel. Privilege.
So, what can you tell me about this? Mark's been working on this VG off and on for, has it been 12 months? Hit and miss?
Probably, I reckon, 3 years.
Really? I didn't know it was that
I was
long.
dragging my feet a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, well, good things take time. Looking really nice, pretty sharp with those fancy drag wheels. What do they call those?
They're the V series.
Uh-huh.
So basically this thing, I bought it for friends. It's about 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Basic stock standard.
Yep.
265.
Yep.
Borg Warner.
Yep.
And we're race car guys, aren't we?
Yes.
Like,
More than me, but yes, you are.
so yeah, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different.
Yeah.
You know, in terms of, not, a V8 turbo or a barrel or anything like that. I'll sort of keep it Hemi.
Yeah.
And because we do EFI, that's what I do.
Yes.
I thought I'd give it a stab and put some, I call it proper EFI on it.
Yep. So it's multi-injection, multi-point.
Multi-point,
Yep.
Haltech. It's got LS cores, crank triggers, cam triggers, a lot of safety features on it.
Right.
It's got a G42 turbo on it.
So it's got a big whopping big turbo on there. Maybe you can see that, it's not too dark. So it's something a bit different. You don't see many people doing the Hemi 6s with a turbo on them.
No.
So it's pretty cool.
Look, there's a couple around getting around now, but a lot of them are carby and
Yeah, certainly not multi-port injection. That's pretty
like that,
unusual. Yeah.
So I've had a lot of help with this car from yourself.
Yeah.
Obviously getting some help with the
Tied out the engine bay and a couple of things. Put some stripes on there.
decals on it for me and help me with the exhaust and wherever you could, which is much appreciated. And,
Yeah. No, it's all good fun.
Theo Diamond built the engine and his mate John built the transmission on it.
So it's a reverse pattern manual valve body
727.
727. Yeah.
Full house engine,
Yep.
so it's basically got a Chevy forged piston and HB line in it.
Right.
Cam girdles, crank girdles. It's got
Yeah.
all the gear that can.
So you should be able to rev it up and not break it. That's the point.
Rev it to a point.
Yeah.
It's 6,500 is sort of its max.
Yep.
I sort of keep it at about 6 grand, 62.
So what did you end up making at the rear wheels?
In killer wasps,
Yeah.
on 18 pounder made 370.
Wow.
14 pounder made 330, and on 8 pound, which is gate pressure, made 290.
So what's that work to in real horsepower, do you reckon?
It's
What's
making
that?
about 5, on its highest boost setting, it's making about 560, 560.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah,
Heaps of power. Yeah, that's amazing from a little 6-cylinder, isn't it? Yeah.
So it's, look, you can turn it up more, you can get greedy with it, but
Yep.
you
You want to keep it safe.
Yeah, I'm not that thing inclined to build it.
You don't want to overstress it. You want to be able to rev it up with
full
confidence.
engines in and out, in
Yeah.
and out. I'm just
Do it
done
once
with
and
that.
keep enjoy it. Yeah.
The kids love it. Rochelle loves it. The wife.
We'll just do a quick walk around down the side. Looks good. It's a bit unusual, the colour. And he's gone for sort of not a Pacer theme, just a few cues off the Pacer with a nice stripe, but it's got its own Turbo 265 variation. It just makes it a nice tidy driver. He's not trying to win car shows, but it's a good looking car, and it's his first trip out, so it's a first Mopar show. and good to see it on the road. Well done, Mark.
Thanks, Brian.
This car's just got on the road, I think the last 12 months. Coincidentally, it's almost a twin to my Challenger I had years ago. Mine was a non-RT 383 4-speed, and this is an actual RT 383 4-speed. And at the time, my friend and I were doing both cars at the same time. But I finished my car 10 years ago, and this one's just been finished. But he got there at least in the end, so beautiful example and a rare car. I don't know the numbers on these, but they'd be pretty low in a convertible, so looks beautiful in the red 383 4-speed RT. One of my favourites here today, this 70 Cuda. I don't know the numbers on it. It's got a early Gen 2 Hemi and a 4-speed manual. Beautiful colour. That'll be burnt orange metallic. If you look at the number on the dash, does it tell me what it is? Can't see, I need my glasses. Got the late model 7-inch, looks like 9-inch wide wheels, but the colour really looks beautiful on it. Yeah, really nice looking car. Nice 68 RT. It's very much like ours, except mine's in a million pieces and rusty and pale yellow. But other than that, it's a very similar car. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that car. They're a beautiful looking car. It's a lovely example in that colour.
Turn it this way.
Yep. Oh, she's good, she's good. See, it's an RT.
So this is the last one.
What is it?
68 RT Coronet.
Yeah.
Factory 440, pale yellow, white trim, automatic.
And you see Brian's rubbing his hands together.
Last one to go. And last minute find. Once again, Rick was no help in avoiding me buying it. He's hopeless if he asks me any car. Yes, buy it. I like it. It's
I
good.
thought you said it followed you home.
They all followed me home.
So my old satellites made it up here again. Saw that here last year for the first time in a few years. It's when you look back on my YouTube channel, my wife A drove it to the shipper. Bit of fun.
Bay Dowell just starts up the 71 satellite. I will. Heading to run the gauntlet, driving to northern New Jersey to this shipping company. Bye. Yeah, I noticed that. All right, I'll see you in a few hours.
So we're still waiting at the station. Faye likes to wait down here. But this is like a year ago since we last came here, and we're still talking to each other, which is a good start. Lovely wife. Look how pretty you look. It's quite a nice station, really.
Yeah.
It's quite pretty.
You can see New York.
Yeah, you can. Actually, there's the World Trade Center. We can see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we're heading. Which way are we going? I always get them mixed up. We go that way, I think.
Yeah.
We go towards New York, don't we, and go past? Yeah, I think so. We came from this way, didn't we? Yeah, we did. No, which side of the train we get off? No, we came in this side and got off that side. Oh, wait a minute, this wasn't the platform.
No, we don't know.
Oh, it's so easy to get confused.